Hey guys, this is Laganjit and you are watching Techie Lagan YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you that how you can use this 5 volt relay module with Arduino to control any AC or DC bulb in this manner. For this, you will need one 5 volt relay module, one Arduino and few jumper wires. Now let's program the Arduino, then we'll continue with the connections. Here, as you can see, I have taken one 12 volt DC LED strip and disconnected one of its wires. One part of this wire will go to common pin of the relay module and the other will go to the NO pin of the relay module, that is normally open, as you can see here. Then the IN pin of the relay module will be connected to pin number 7 of the Arduino. Ground pin of the relay module will be connected to the ground pin of the Arduino and the VCC pin of the relay module will be connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino. Now let's test it. As you can see here, I have given power to the LED as well as to the Arduino and it is working as programmed. Instead of this 12 volt LED, you can also take any AC bulb, but be careful while using AC. Make sure that you do not touch any part of the relay after giving supply to the bulb. So that's all for this video, and if you are interested in such videos, then you should subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos.